Hello everyone and welcome to the Trade Ideas Live Trading Room recap for Monday, August the 21st. My name is Barry Anderson, the moderator of your trading room. Any questions? This is the email address to use. This is the link to get into the room. It's a free room. I share my screen all day long. Usually start around 9 in the morning Eastern time, and I get live on the mic at 9:05, and it is free. You don't have to be a member of Trade Ideas to come into this room. Want to take out a subscription, that is the link to use. All right, well, I'm going to kind of breeze through this one because it is eclipse day, and it's about 85% in Vancouver in about half an hour. So I am just going to quickly go through actually a pretty interesting day. I just want to talk about WUBA. A lot of people were in WUBA. This is really one of the only earnings plays that I saw today. I did not get into it, but tomorrow Momo might be the one to watch, because as I said last week, even though there are not that many earnings plays, sometimes that's not a bad thing because more people then will concentrate on the earnings plays that there are. And definitely WUBA was an excellent one, and a lot of people in our room are in this one. The other one that a lot of people were in early on, great kudos to Tom in the pre-market. I think he called this one out to say to watch THC. I know Real and a bunch of others hopped on this one. Definitely was a good one. I had a couple of early losses. I was not expecting, but I was hoping maybe that JMEI would have a continuation day. Got into the trade at 409, took myself out at 4. As I said, I never let my ego get in my way. If I'm wrong, I'm wrong. Would not wanted to have held all the way down here. And the other one, similar vein. This one, big Holly call on Friday, got into it just over the whole number. I'm sorry, at 877, and again, it did the same thing, got out for a 7-cent loss. Now, a couple that worked out very well for me, once I shook those ones off, Cato. This came, where did I see that one? That came on the evening scan from, this was a stock that was strong on Friday. You can see why. You can see this move up here. So this was one that I was watching. And when you look at the daily chart on it, you can see that it still had some room. Remember, now I'm looking down here. And I got in, once it broke that whole number, what did I get in at? Let's see, Cato at 1411. Got into Cato at 1411. So let me just get that time frame, 15-minute time frame back. Once it broke that whole number, got into Cato here at 1411, hit a high of 1445. I sold some out at 1434, and then on the way down at 1417. I'm actually toying with the idea of taking it again if it can hold this area and maybe start to resume its upward trend. The other one that I'm, CHRS that I am still in. CHRS, again, take a look at the daily. And you can see that it has a nice looking void on the side here, probably getting into some resistance around 14. But I got into this one just over the whole number break. This one, again, saw on the evening scan. So let me just get here. So I'm in this one. What am I in? 1315. So I'm in at 1315. That's close enough. And I did take some out along the way. I took some out at 1335 and some at 1370. And now we're right back up again. So I'd love to hold on and see what can happen, see if it can take out that high right there. And, I did get into, there was a Holly trade that I did get into to short ATI. Actually got into it twice, kind of inconsequential. The short was at 1896, really didn't do too much. I was able to take it at I think 1892 when it broke down, covered it at 1885 and 1895, and then I reshorted it at 1878, right about here. And then look at this, it moved all the way down here. Was able to cover some here and then on the way back. So anyway, I want to get back, finish this up quickly, and perhaps take a look at this eclipse the right way, of course. Starting to get a little dark now in Vancouver. So I'll shut this down. And again, this is, if you want to have any questions for me, this is the email address to use, and this is the link to get into our free trading room. And I'll open it tomorrow at 9 a.m. Eastern Time. I'll go to about 3:30. And this is the link to use for if you want to take out a subscription. Just to give you an idea, it's about $4.40 a day on an annual basis for our premium service, and about $207 a day for our standard service. There is a promo code there for you to use. All right. This here. Thanks very much for listening, and we'll see you, and I hope to see you in our trading room tomorrow. Bye-bye.